What's up, guys? Next day here, man. Finally got some time, and we are gonna rock with this thing. So first and foremost, we're gonna get all of this white stuff, white sticky vinyl wrap stuff, off the back window because we're gonna get this window today. I know I've been saying that, but we're actually gonna get it done today. So we're gonna get that done. Get this windshield changed out. We're gonna get them both swapped out. We found a deal for both of them done. It's about like 200 bucks, and yeah, we'll be able to get that done, and then the car will look that much better. So I think after we do that, it'll be able to be like at least drivable. And then you really see how bad this dent is, but it's really honestly not that bad because we can probably just find a door if anything. But yeah, let's get all this taken off and see where we can go from here. And we haven't started this thing in about like a good week, so I guess I'll start it and then just let that thing run. Ooh wee. Turned on real nice and easy. That's what I'm talking about. You feel me? That's how we gonna rock him, and then we just gonna let this run for a little bit while we try to get this back window done. Man, literally a few hours later, man, this sun was killing me, man. I was out here freaking scrub-a-dub-dubbing, if you will. Like, and it still looks, you know, like it could be better, but I'm sure when I get this window in here and we take it to the pressure washer and get like some alcohol, we can clean like the excess sticker stuff off and sticker residue. But yeah, that was like the hardest part, getting all that white stuff off, bro. Like, it was so thin and coming out in little bitty pieces. Next day here, man, let's finally get this thing all tidied up. Let's get this window, man. We are on our way to California Auto Glass to get this windshield changed and that rear window changed. So in the meantime, we're gonna be driving there, getting a quick little recap of how it's driving. And it's driving super lovely and super smooth. Although it does sound like something maybe rubbing up against the tire, like maybe like the inner fender liner or something like that. So I'll hop out and check that out, but for the most part, it's riding really smooth. Quick little freeway action. I don't even think we're gonna be on here any more than a mile. But as you see, we can get this thing up to like a good 60 miles an hour with no rattles or anything like that. Alrighty guys, we made it to California Auto Glass, and we're gonna get this thing freaking fixed. Now on the freeway, it was driving pretty smooth and decent and whatnot, but of course it had its you know, it sounded like something was rubbing on that fender. So after we get this stuff figured out, we'll get that figured out. Probably needs an alignment of some sort. It may need alignment. We'll check it out though. Okay, so change of plans. They were only a cash only thing, and I'm working with only credit right now. Well, I only want to work with credit right now. So we're gonna find another place that can actually take cards and stuff like that. So we'll get back to you momentarily. What's up, guys? Today is finally the day where we get this thing all sparkly and shiny and all as one. But unfortunately, the battery died on me. I need to just go get a freaking jumper box. I can't even get in the back to get the jumper cables. So you guys already know the situation with that. So I'm just gonna go. Oh wait, maybe I can. What's up, guys? So California Auto Glass just pulled up, man. They about to get cracking on the Altima. About to get this windshield out. About to get that put in. About to get the back window out and put in finally. Then we're finally gonna get this thing cleaned up, man. So stay tuned for that. And boom, the windshield is out. Got a pretty clean dash up here. Okay. This thing got a nice little clean van. Dang, that's how clean the black paint was originally. I don't look nothing like the outside right now. It's time for the windshield. About to get that joint popped in. See, everything is cleared up. Can't wait, dude. Can't wait to get this thing washed and start driving this thing every day. So tired of wasting gas in that Camaro, dude. You don't even know. Yeah, that thing looks way better now, I swear. And just like that, the front's done. Yeah, that thing looks way better now. Looks like a car I'd actually want now. Oh, that's how you get the rest of that glass out. Guys, remember the last guy didn't have a vacuum, so this is already better. Great. Yeah, the windows are in. That's it for that. Our next step is going to be getting those little side mirrors on both ends, and then we have to get that tail light over there because it is cracked, but it does work. So nothing that has to be too quick, but we'll get it figured out. Alrighty guys, shout out to California Auto Glass, man. They came through, got me right, got me all back in the game, man. Ooh, that hood is hot too. That hood is burning up. Look, they did an excellent job, man. Did it quick, fast, and efficient for a decent price. And they only charged me $235 for both windows installed at my house. Home mobile service. That's the type of service I like right there, guys. Let's get this thing started. After that dead battery, get some AC cranking up in this joint. Woo, finally. Some cool AC, man. I don't know how bad I've been wanting to get these windows. When I went the first time, I only had my credit card on me. So I didn't know they only took cash, so that was that. But this ended up working out a lot better anyway. I like the home service a lot better. And this thing these windows make this car look just that much cleaner. It is done, guys, and it is running great, looking great. I can't wait to get this thing cleaned up. I kind of got a lot to do today, so probably not going to be able to clean it up today. And he said he doesn't think I should take off these stickers for another 24 hours or wash it for 24 hours. So I think I'm just gonna wait till tomorrow to wash it anyway. So that might be a wrap for today's video. You know, I want to get you guys something out. I know it's been a while on the Ultima video and you guys been wanting to see it really badly. So the windows are in. It is cold in here, man. It's finally like I can finally drive this thing like a normal car now. So in the next video we'll be getting it cleaned up. That tail light on the driver's side, we'll be getting those mirrors if we can find them at a really cheap price, and then we'll be getting an oil change and a little tune up on this thing so we can test this thing out and see how far we can drive it without any problem. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, man. I appreciate all the new subscribers, man. You guys help me out. Don't skip through those ads. Make sure you click that notification on the bell so you can stay updated with all the videos. And yeah, man, we're gonna get this thing pushing here. It's pretty much, I don't want to say ready to sell, but it's in a better position to sell, like if I just wanted to get rid of it. So it is in decent condition. Yeah, we'll keep you guys updated with that. But in the meantime, have a good one, guys. Peace.